Hello guys, how are you today? Today's class we are going to see conversation number 13. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you? Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Good, good. I'm just a little late. I'm just a little late. Good. I'm just a little late. Good. I'm just a little late. Bien. Solo estoy un poco tarde. Oh, what time is it? Oh, what time is it? Oh, what time is it? Oh, ¿qué hora es? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Son las 8 en punto. What time do you start work? What time do you start work? What time do you start work? ¿A qué horas empiezas a trabajar? 8. What time do you start work? At 8:30. At 8:30. A las 8:30. A las 8:30. And I think that I have just a few minutes. And I think that I have just a few minutes. And I think that I have just a few minutes. Y creo que solo tengo unos pocos minutos. Me too. Me too. Yo también. Because I start work at 9. Me too. Yo también. Because I start work at 9. Porque yo empiezo a trabajar a las 9. Where do you work? 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 ¿Dónde trabajas? I work at Roosevelt Hospital. Roosevelt Hospital. I work at Roosevelt Hospital. Yo trabajo en el Hospital Roosevelt. It is in the downtown. It is in the downtown. It's in the downtown. Está en el centro. That's very far from here. 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 Eso está muy lejos de aquí. What about you? What about you? What about you? What about you? I work at the Empire Building. I work at the Empire Building. I work at the Empire Building. Yo trabajo en el edificio Empire. Yo trabajo en el edificio Empire. It's near from here. It's near from here. Está cerca de aquí. Yeah. I know that place. Yeah, I know the place. Yeah, I know that place. Yeah, I know that place. Sí, conozco ese lugar. It's very beautiful building. It's very beautiful building. It's a very beautiful building. It's a very beautiful building. Es un edificio muy bonito. I think so. I think so. Así es. Okay. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. I think so. Así es. Okay, está bien. I'm leaving now. Me voy ahora. Okay. See you around. See you around. Okay, see you around. ¿Está bien? Te veo luego. Te veo a la vuelta. See you later. See you later. Bye. Nos vemos más tarde. Adiós. See you later. Bye. Hello. Hola. How? ¿Cómo? A little late. A little late. A little late. Un poco tarde. Just. Just. Solo. Good. Good. Bien. Bueno. It's. It. Is. Es. What? What? ¿Qué? Time. Time. Hora. Tiempo. Vez. O'clock. O'clock. En punto. Start. Start. Empezar. Iniciar. Comenzar. Work. 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 Trabajo. To. To. También. Me. Me. Yo. Because. 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 Porque. Think. Think. Pensar. Creer. That. That. Eso. ¿Qué? About. 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 Acerca de. Building. 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 Edificio. Know. Know. Saber, conocer. Place. Place. Lugar. Near. Near. Cerca. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hermoso. Bonito. I think so. I think so. Así es. Leaving. Leaving. Saliendo. Irse. Now. Now. Ahora. See. See. Ver. Around. Around. Alrededor. A la vuelta. Later. Later. Más tarde. You. You. Tú. Bye. Bye. Adiós. See you next time. See you next time. Bye bye.